this video, I want to show you something that a lot of people seem to be wondering about. I've been getting a lot of questions recently from people who are just not sure that the stuff that they want to promote is actually profitable. And a lot of these people are afraid that they might get into promoting some products and doing affiliate marketing for products that are just not profitable, and that they'll be wasting their time and money. Because of this, many people decide to just not get started at all, or they keep delaying things, searching for that perfect product, and never actually start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, I think that this is a problem that I have to address. I want to show exactly how you can tell if something is profitable or not. If other people are spending money on it, well, then that obviously means that it is profitable. And if other people are not spending too much money on it, well, then maybe you want to stay away from it. So when it comes to the three popular niches, you've got making money online, you've got weight loss and dating, and of course these niches are always profitable. But what if you stumble upon something that you're just not sure about? How can you check to make sure that you're not wasting your time? Alright, I'm on ClickBank right now, just scrolling up and down a little bit, looking at the products that have solid gravity. I see a lot of products here related to weight loss, which is obviously profitable, but I also see some other things going on here. For example, we've got this one on hair loss and how to prevent hair loss or regrow hair or something like that. This is something that has a solid gravity, pays okay per sale, so you might want to check it out and make sure that this is something that's profitable and also something that's evergreen. I wouldn't recommend you look for things that are really hot right now but have not been hot for a while, and chances are they might not stay hot. So you want to focus on those things that are evergreen so that you don't spend your time and money getting domain names, building this or that, only to find the entire niche crashing down on you, and obviously you'll have lost a lot of money and time. Alright, so let's take a look at the hair loss thing. The first thing that I'll use is the Google Keyword Planner. I'll just Google and type Keyword Planner, sign up with your Google account, and then you will see something like this. You'll want to click on search for new keywords, and you just want to put in a keyword related to your main keyword. So let's say hair loss, and let's put prevent hair loss and also regain hair. Over here, when it comes to the country, you want to make sure that it's the United States, and there we go. Then save it, and now that I have these keywords, I'm just going to go ahead and click Get Ideas, and we'll give Google Keyword Planner a second here to load. I want to click here on Keyword Ideas, and we'll also give it a second to load. Okay, so there we go. Now, what are these results? Basically, Google is telling us the situation on the Google search engine rankings. It's telling us how many monthly searches there are and what the competition is like and how much people are paying per click. Even though we don't care about the SEO right now, that is the search engine optimization part, even if you don't want to focus on SEO, even if you don't care about SEO, and you don't want to rank high on Google for these keywords, it's still a good way to tell if people in general are willing to spend money on this. So from these results, what I'm seeing right now, I'm showing that people are definitely willing to spend a ton of money on this. So here's how I can tell. For these keywords, regain hair and prevent hair loss and hair loss, as you can see here, suggested bid, the first one is $8.31. And then we've got regain hair at $1.43. If we go here, let's see what Google says for this. Your suggested bid is calculated by taking into account the cost per click that advertisers are paying for this keyword. Other advertisers are paying up to $8.31 for one single click. Their ad for the term hair loss, they're paying for it $8.31. By no means would you need to pay that much. In this course, we'll discuss traffic methods that can get you a lot of traffic for a lot less than this. Now, what this shows us is that there are other people out there spending a ton of money on it, and that just means that there is definitely money to be made in this niche because people are spending so much. It means they're spending that much because there's money to be made. Another thing that you want to take a look at is the average monthly searches, so just make sure that people are actually searching for these keywords. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of related keywords. Most of these are under $2. But some of them, like preventing hair loss, are at even $9 for just one click. And that, guys, is absolutely crazy. So the average monthly searches, as long as it's maybe above 1,000 and you're not really seeing anything below 1,000, then you should be good to go. As you can see here, the situation is just crazy because a lot of these even have 12,000 searches, 4,000 searches. It's definitely something that is here to make you money, and other people are making money with it, so you can definitely do it too. Alright, so this is not everything that I wanted to show you guys. There is one more thing that I want to discuss with you. Other than the keyword search, there is also something called Google Trends, and if we go here and type in prevent hair loss, for example, and we search for it, Google is going to show us the worldwide search results and popularity and actual interest for this keyword over a period of time. And as you can see, this is just growing from January 2004 until today. It's just been growing and growing. Now we can add even more terms in here if we want to compare them. One other popular thing was the paleo diet. So I'm going to type in paleo diet in here and let's just see what the situation is like for that. So the paleo diet started off well back in 2010, I think, and it started growing and it really grew until 2013 where it was really popular. Now it looks like it's going down a little bit and definitely it's more popular than hair loss, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's something that you want to go with. Just based on this, it's kind of going down now, and so it might not be the best evergreen long-term niche to focus on. On the other hand, let's try weight loss, and I'll just show you. There's no question about weight loss being incredibly popular, definitely growing and staying here, but let me just prove that to you. So as you can see, people are searching more and more for advice on weight loss, so it's definitely something that you cannot go wrong with. It's the same thing with dating, and let's just see dating for men. We'll probably have to remove weight loss because it's making everything else look really small. I'm just going to remove weight loss, and I'm also going to remove paleo diet so we can take a look at just dating for men. All right, so there you go. Okay, so maybe it's just that I have not picked the proper keyword here, so let's just say online dating, and let's see how that goes. Actually, online dating was incredibly popular back in 2006, and now it seems to be going down just a little bit. Well, perhaps not going down, it's pretty much a straight line, but from 2006, the popularity kind of went down a little bit. But it still does not mean this is something that's not going to work. Dating along with weight loss and making money online are definitely popular things. Okay, so let's see what we get if we just type in hair loss as the main keywords, and as you can see, it's very, very popular, definitely an evergreen niche. So guys, this is how I do my profitability research. First, I go to Google Keyword Planner and I just make sure that other people are spending money on this. So let's say, for example, I would type in potato gun, and that's a weird thing, but I'm willing to bet that people are not spending money on this. And lo and behold, potato gun is 20 cents per click. And that's nothing. It means that there's not really much money to be made here. And as you can see, I just wanted you to be able to compare this with hair loss so you can see that people are paying $8 just for hair loss. And that's huge because of other stuff people are not even paying 20 cents for. So this is what I do. I go to Google Keyword Planner and I do a quick search just to make sure what people are spending on average. And when I look at all of these keywords, I want them to be spending at least $1 to $2 per click when I look at the keywords. Then I go to Google Trends just to make sure that this is something that's here to stay, and that's been going for a while. So for example, the paleo diet thing, that's something that I may not proceed with because it looks like it's going down. But for hair loss, weight loss, dating, and all of those things, those are all good to go. So this is it for this video. If you're still wondering if something is profitable or not before you actually start doing it, this is exactly how you will find out if it's profitable or not. I think after doing this research, if you see the positive results that I discussed, then there's no more excuse. If it turns out that whatever you want to go after is profitable, then go ahead and get started. And that's really my advice for this video. So thank you for watching. I'll be back with another interesting video, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.